Greetings, fellow space explorers. Welcome back to Imagine, Learn, Create. I'm your cosmic guide, Astro, and today we have an incredible journey ahead. We're going to explore what space is and how it works. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an interstellar adventure. Space, also known as the universe, is the vast expanse that exists beyond our planet, Earth. It's everything you see when you look up at the night sky. Space is not empty. It's filled with stars, galaxies, planets, asteroids, and more. It's the ultimate frontier waiting to be explored. Space and time are interconnected. They form what scientists call space-time. It means that the fabric of space is linked to time itself. Massive objects like planets and stars create curves in space-time, which we experience as gravity. Think of it as a trampoline. Objects roll towards the curved area, just like planets orbiting the sun. Space is filled with celestial bodies, each with its own unique characteristics. Stars, like our sun, shine brightly and provide light and heat. Planets, like Earth, orbit stars. Moons are natural satellites that orbit planets. Asteroids are rocky objects that roam space. And comets are icy wanderers that leave a beautiful tail as they pass by. Space is home to incredible phenomena. Supernovae are massive star explosions that can outshine entire galaxies. Black holes are mysterious regions where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Nebulas are vast clouds of gas and dust, where new stars are born. Humans have always been eager to explore space. We've sent spacecraft to distant planets, walked on the moon, and even launched telescopes to observe the farthest reaches of the universe. Astronauts venture beyond our planet to conduct experiments and learn about space. Humans have always been eager to explore space. One of the most exciting aspects of space is the possibility of finding extraterrestrial life. Scientists are scanning the cosmos for signs of life on other planets, moons, or even in the icy oceans of distant worlds. Who knows, we might one day discover life beyond Earth. And there you have it, fellow cosmic adventurers. Space is the boundless realm that contains galaxies, stars, planets, and mysteries beyond our imagination. It's a dynamic and ever-expanding universe, and our journey to understand it has just begun. Well, that wraps up today's Space Odyssey, Exploring the Universe, How Space Works edition. Keep gazing at the stars, keep exploring the unknown, and remember, the universe is waiting for you to unravel its secrets. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more cosmic adventures. Farewell, fellow space travelers.